Hey guys, okay, so I've got these three Mortice rim cylinders, whichever you call it. It's a screw-in Mortice it is, but yeah, I've got these from Hugo Martell, so thank you very much, bud. I really appreciate the locks. They're really, really nice. This one did have, the middle one, did have some aluminium sort of cover on it. Which was pretty smashed in, and after I picked it on cam I decided to sort of clean it up a bit and take it off, and underneath I found this really nice brass lock, so glad I did that. I did pick it on cam and I seem to have put it back together. It's not working, although I thought it did work. It was a little bit sticky when it arrived, but nothing too bad. Right, so let's try one of these. They're key to light, these two on the ends, and this one's got nasty written on it. So yeah, of course I'm going to try that. Okay, let's get the key out. The bitting looks like this. Hugo also sent me some blanks, some Schlage blanks and some blanks that fit this. So the WR5, not sure, WR, yeah, not sure what that is. Someone let me know. I'm not, just have no clue what sort of cylinder this is, what make. Okay, so top of the keyway tension, and we shot, I believe we are. I'm going to use my own gem type pick, and okay. I've not got very much tension on, I'm just holding it in place. So a bit of a turn on 4 and 2, then a further on 1, a bit more on 5. Literally just feeling around just for a bit of feedback at the moment. Okay, a little bit on 3. A little bit on 1. A little bit on 5. A little bit on 4. Wow. Okay. The first one I opened had screws and all sorts of things inside it, so Lord only knows what's in this thing if it's got nasty written on the front of it. We're about to see the dark depths of Hugo's mind. Oh, there we go. Okay. Okay, that was quicker than I thought it would be. Let's just get the pinning tray in. I do have a key if anything goes wrong. So this has got a Schlage type follower required. Okay. And through. Okay, so it was a 5-pinner. Okay, there's some sort of modifications going on here. So 1 is a standard, 2 is a standard, 3 is a standard, 4 is a standard, and 5 is a standard. Okay, and we have threading on 1, 3 and 5. I'm just going to check. There may be counter millimeter, but no, nothing on 2 and 4. And up top we have got something with threads. So some sort of serrated, I think. That's a screw. And another screw. Hugo. Ooh, what's that? Some sort of torpedo-y thing. Nice pin, huh? And whatever that was. Another screw. Okay, and up in the Bible. Yeah, this plate is original, I would say. So no, nothing has been done up there. Okay, so let me leave the lock body down there. Oh, I need to take the... Oh, actually, that works. I went the wrong way, but there we are. So, oh, let's start down there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, they are all standard. Actually, that's a lot. Happy accident this is, I think. And up the top we have got, I don't know if that's a screw in number 1, I think it is. Yeah, maybe. And 2 and 3 are screws. 4 is some sort of key pin that has been put in upside down at the top. And number 5 is also a screw. So yeah, thank you ever so much, Hugo. That was a great lock, actually. That was really, really fun. Yeah, and I will do something with that and get it out to somebody else. Get your great work out there. Thank you ever so much for the locks, bud. Yeah, I will get onto this one, which is key to like, so I'll leave it for a little while, but I'll try and fix this one up. Thank you very much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and I will catch you all very soon. Take it easy. Be good.